This is the only material you're gonna need is a headliner adhesive. You can buy this, I think, you can order this probably at the O'Reilly or Advanced Auto, something like that. They probably do not carry it around, but you can order it. However, I got this from Amazon, got it in a few days, totally fine with me, but you can find different brands that works for you. Another main ingredients you're gonna need is basically a material that you're going to replace it with, and you can pick whatever color that is suiting for you. I got mine from Amazon, and I think I spent about $35. This one is about $20. It's a little bit cheaper, but mine's a little bit more expensive. I think it's a little bit thicker than this material. However, it is up to you. You can pick, browse around and look for what is appropriate for your budget. This is what she used to look like. She's old and saggy and needs a little facelift. So I decided I'm going to do this myself. This is the tool you're going to need. So just pull it out. Pull it out. That's it. This part I use a hard bristle brush. I think it's kind of like metal. And it's really easy to scrape it using that brush and then a vacuum so that way it doesn't have a bunch of dirt and dust all over the place. And then after that, you're just gonna spray it evenly. I spray it on the headliner itself. And then I sprayed on the fabric too as well to have a double adhesive. And I press it down and press it very smooth and making sure you don't have wrinkles, making sure they're all smoothing out without wrinkles. And pull it and stretch it out while you're doing this so that way they don't clump together and wrinkly up. This one is not drying right away, but it dries really quick. So you want to make sure that you don't want to let it wrinkle for so long. It's hard for you to pull it out. So making sure you press it really good and smooth out the surface. Then I flipped that side over and I started on the other side. And I repeat the same thing as I did the first, the other side. Sprayed evenly both sides and then pull it straight out, smooth as possible. Then I tuck in the sides also. Tuck it under. After that, I cut out the excess and leave like an inch perimeters extra, so that way I have the extra room to tuck it behind when I flip it over. For the holes that need to be cut out, I just use sharp tip scissors and cut it like that, and then I spray with the adhesive, and then I going to tuck it in upside down like that. This girl is going to be putting back together the way I took it out. Basically, I just reverse engineer everything, and so far it's gonna make a huge difference of how she looks. She's gonna be looking young and beautiful again. So it's gonna be my project for this upcoming few months. I want to be working on this car and try to make her look beautiful again. You're not going to able to recognize it by the time I'm finished with her. She is going to be like a hot chick. Alright, look at this. I'm gonna let you see how it looks like afterwards. So she is, look at how nice it is. No longer have to be sitting there and all this cloth or like, you know, rubbing on your head all the time. So by the time I'm putting everything back together, she's going to be very beautiful. I replace all this mat too as well.